Hello educators, in this video I'll be showing you how to make use of our visual teaching aids on AiTeacha platform. Visual teaching aids are materials or objects teachers use to help students understand a lesson better by seeing it clearly. For example, we have charts, images, videos. So on this platform, I'll be showing you how you can generate image to make your students understand your lesson better by seeing it clearly. We are going to click on AI tools. Then these are visual teaching aid. You click on it. I'm going to fill in the form, but before I fill in the form, this visual teaching aid, we have image type, we have the labeled and non-labeled diagram, and also your image being generated will be based on the grade you put in on this form. Because if, for example, if you tell the visual teaching aid to generate a skeleton for grade 2 students, pupils rather, it will give you a picture based on their knowledge. But if you input grade 10, 11, the skeleton that the visual teaching aid is going to generate will be more higher than the one for grade 2. So I'm going to put in grade 2. Select the image type, labeled diagram. Non-label diagram. Select the country curriculum. We have different country curriculum here. I'm going to pick Nigeria. The curriculum type, EdTech. Then I enter my description, human skeleton. Then click submit. That's generated it successfully for us. Could you see? Then you download your image here. So I'm going to go back to generate for grade 10, label diagram. Country curriculum, Nigeria. So you can pick your own country curriculum here. We have different country curriculum here. And also we have different curriculum type. Nigeria uses EdTech, human skeleton. You click submit. So our image is ready, labeled human skeleton. Then you click download image. Our image has been downloaded. So with AiTeacha, you can also generate a visual teaching aid to help your students learn more better by seeing it clearly. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to sign up on AiTeacha platform to explore how our platform works.